Hey, what's up guys? This is Hamad. If you are looking to make a website and don't know how to start, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you to make a free WordPress website in just 20 minutes and without coding skills. Anyone can make a website and there is no previous coding experience and skills are required. You can see so many website tutorials on YouTube that took 2 to 3 hours. No one has time to watch these lengthy videos. But this tutorial is really simple and easy to understand and a step-by-step process. You just need to follow the steps in the video and I guarantee you that at the end of the video you are not only making a website for free, you can also make websites for your friends and clients and make money online. You can also start your web design business. So keep watching this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A lot of amazing website making stuff are coming up. So let's start now. And guys, at the end of this video, you will be able to make this type of website, a responsive and professional looking website at your fingertips. So friend, I have divided this tutorial into 6 simple steps. Step 1, we will buy a domain and hosting for our website. In step 2, we will install WordPress as we are making WordPress website. In step 3, we will install and activate Astra theme. We will use this theme to make our website. In step 4, we will install Astra starter kit template for our website. And in step 5, we will choose our website design and import into our website. And finally in step 6, we customize our website according to our needs. So let's move to step number 1, that is to get a domain and web hosting. Hosting is a place where all of your website data has been stored and accessible over the internet. And domain is the name of your website. So to get a domain and hosting, click the link in the description. So it will take you to SiteGround website. So here you can see 3 types of plans. If you want to make a single website, then this startup plan is best for you. And if you want to make unlimited website, then you can pick any one of them. So I will go with Grow Big. So click on Get Plan. So here you can type your domain name. So let me type my domain name and click on Proceed. Here you fill out the account and client information. Once done, then enter payment information. Then in purchase information, select your period. So you can pick any one of them, but I will go with 12-month plan. So I have to pay $71.40 and I have to pay total amount $87 because I have to pay $15.95 for domain. So once done, check these 2 check boxes and finally click on Pay Now. As you click on Pay Now button, your SiteGround account has been created. So
Step number 1 has been completed. So let's move to step number 2, and in step number 2 we will install WordPress, which is open sourced and free website building platforms. So to install WordPress, click on proceed. Then select first option. Then select WordPress. Enter the email password to log into WordPress. Then finally click on continue. And then finally click on finish. Now WordPress has been installed and our website is live now. So our step number 2 is also completed. So let's move to step number 3.
Alright guys, so let's check out our website which is live right now. So open your browser and type in your domain name, as my domain name is shiny-file.com. Press enter. Here we go. You can see that our website is live, but it not look so fancy. But don't worry, we will customize our website once we will log into WordPress admin and make it beautiful. Alright, to log into WordPress, after your domain, type in wp-admin and press enter. So it will take you to WordPress login page. So here you will enter your username. So I'm entering my username and my password and hit login button. Here we go. So we are logged into WordPress admin dashboard. This is the area where you can manage and control your website. So anything you can change on that admin area, it will reflect to your website. Alright guys, so this is the area where you can add pages, media and post on your website. You can also install and manage your themes and your plugins with your website. So anything you will customize on admin dashboard, it will reflect to your website. So let's move to step number 3, where we will install our WordPress theme which we will use to make our beautiful website. So for this tutorial we will use Astra theme to make our beautiful website. So go to appearance and click on themes. So here you can see the themes which is by default installed. Once you will install the WordPress, we will not use these themes, we will add our Astra theme. So click on add new. So here we go. You can see hundreds of free themes that is available. You can use any theme to make your website. So for this tutorial we will use Astra. So search Astra. So you can see the Astra theme. Click on install and click on activate to activate the theme. So the Astra theme is installed and activated on your website. So let's check out our website how this is looking right now. So hover over my WordPress and click visit site. So here we go. So it looks not amazing right now, but don't worry, now this is the time to customize our website. So let's move to step number 4. So go to your dashboard. So in step number 4 we will install Astra theme plugins. So as I said earlier that make a website in Astra is really simple and easy and a piece of cake. So you will make a website in few clicks, as Astra is providing a ready-made website templates that you can use to make your website in a single go. So let's start to install the Astra theme plugin. So click on plugin, add new and search for Astra. So you can see startup templates Elementor. So click on install now and click on activate. So the Astra plugin is activated. So ready-made website templates are installed on our WordPress. So in step number 5 we will choose our website design and import that design to our website. So click on C library. Here you can see thousands of ready-made websites that are available. You can select your design. Let's say I select this design. So click on this. So it will take you to details page. Here you can see that the website is already built and ready to import. Normally a website contain home, about, service, contact and why choose me or testimonial pages. So this is a complete website with design, contents and images. So you can also preview that website before importing into your website. So click on preview. So it will take you to demo website. So here you can also preview that website as well. This is a super professional website with modern design patterns. Alright, once you select that template, so click on import complete site. As you click on import complete site, import dialog box will appear. So don't change anything here, just click on import. Here we go. All the website design, contents and settings will be imported and your website is ready to go. So click on view site. Wow, guys, you can see your website is ready. A professional looking website with modern design pattern, multimedia and contents. This is a home page. You can browse different pages. Let's browse the pages. This is about us page. Looks professional and amazing. Services page. And finally contact page. It's a beautiful contact form and the beautiful map. Alright, so let's check out the mobile version of that website, because this is a responsive theme. So you don't need to make a separate website for your mobile. So it will work amazing on your mobile. So how it looks like on mobile, let's check out. So right click your mouse and click on inspect. So click on that device toolbar. So here you can see different devices where you can look how your website will look on mobiles and tablets. So right now iPhone X, it looks very beautiful and amazing on iPhone X. You can see. Let's say click on home page. Brilliant. Let's check out on tablet or iPad. So this is iPad. So it looks stunning on iPad as well. Amazing. So here we go. Our step number 5 is completed. So in step number 6, we will customize our website according to our requirement. We can change the images, the contents, and we can also add additional pages to our website. So let's move to step number 6. Alright guys, so let's say you change the text on home page. How you will do that? So click on edit with Elementor. So your website will be open in editor. So double click on it and change the text to my website. Once you will done, click on update and then click on view page. Amazing. So in the same way you can change your contents on that website. Let's say if you want to change the text on this button, so click edit with Elementor, double click on button, you can see the sidebar menu. So here you can change the text to more info. Here we go, click on update and that's it. You can also change the images on your website. If you want to change the image, click on edit icon, so it will open in this pan. So you can choose any image you want to change and it will show up on your website. So in the same way you can change anything on your website. Alright guys, so let's open your website. So here you can see the URL. So I'm get rid of this index.php, so I want my page name rather than index.php. So let's change it. So go back to dashboard, go to settings. So this is a general setting. Here you can see site title, so I will leave as it is. So first of all we will change the permalinks. So right now it selected custom structure, which I don't like, so I will go with post name. Here we go. Once done, click on save changes. Let's open your website. So here we go. You can see that index.php has been removed and now your website page name actually displayed. So that is what I want. Alright guys, so let's customize our menu. So let's go to dashboard or click on menu. So here you can see that right now there is no menu selected. So in the left side you can see our website pages and name your menu as top menu. Alright, and select your pages which you want to display on menu. So I will select all the pages and click on add to menu. So here we go, all the pages are added into the menu. So we can rearrange that menu as well. Let's say I want to move the contact page right at the end. Let's click on save menu. So let's select the menu location. So I will select primary and automatically option. So whenever a new page is added, it will automatically add it into the menu. So once done, click on save menu. So let's go back to our website. So here we go. So you can see that our top menu is now configured and added to our website. So guys, as you know that our website is ready. So let me show you how you can add a new page to your website. So go over there, new, and click on page. Add a name for your page like portfolio. So click on edit with Elementor. So it will open the page in Elementor. So here you can quickly design your page. You can add section. You can select different columns. Let's say I select 2 columns. So here you can select like text. This is a new page. You can style your text. You can add color to that. You can do different settings. You can change the size. So let me add an image. Let's drag that image into this section. Click on edit, select that image, insert media. So here we go, your image is added. So again you can add different sections and add your desired contents on that sections. Alright guys, so you can either create your page manually or you can pick a ready-made template by clicking here. So you can see different ready-made templates. You pick your desired template. Let's say I pick this one. So you can see this template, and if you want to add to your page, click on insert. So here we go, this page is ready. So it looks amazing. So you can change your contents over here and click on publish. Alright guys, so once template is added, your page is ready. So you can click on publish and your page is live. So click on have a look. Here we go. Your page is integrated into your menu. Looks amazing. So now you can change your contents as we did previously. Alright guys, once you have add your page, let's change the logo. Click on customize. Here you can see different customization option for that website. So here you can see different options to customize your themes. So you can change your colors, you can change your header, footer, menu. You can customize a lot of things there. So if you want to change the logo, click on this pencil icon. So here you can change your logo and your logo will be changed. Click on publish and that's done. Here we go. You can see your logo has also been changed and your website is completely ready to go. So friends, you see how easy to make a website. If it is helpful for you, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you very much.